Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 1 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 1 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter subtraction. We are already working on the chapter. That's a chapter we have started in the last session. Today we're going to continue the same lesson, right? Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So let's just start with the lesson subtraction, right? Okay, we're going to start with the lesson that is subtraction facts numbers up to 18. Let's just start with the lesson. Okay, the first example is 11 take away 8. We're going to learn how do we subtract 8 out of 11, right? So how do we subtract? You have so many ways to subtract, and you can use the method that is easy for you, right? Either you can make 11 lines, remove 8 of them and count the rest of them. Either you can count from the smaller digit and count up to the larger digit, right? So count to start with 8 and count till 11. So 8, 9, 10, 11, right? So that means 11 take away 8 is 3. So the correct option is 3, right? So you can use whatever method you can find easy for you. So let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, the next one is subtract 10 out of 7, which is the correct option. So start with the smaller number and count up till 10 take away 7 is 7. How? Start with 7 and count till 10. So that is 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 7, 10 take away 7 is 3. The correct option is 3. Got it? 10 take away 7 is 3. Okay, the next one is 14. You can write the answer only once. I can read all your messages. Okay, 14 take away 6 is, can you hear me? 14 take away 6 is, start with the smaller number and count up till the 14, right? So that would be, so that is, hold on. Okay, so start with 7, sorry, start with 6 and count until 14. So that is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Now count these numbers, right? So that is the difference between 14 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 14 take away 6 is 8. Got it? So the correct option is 8. Okay, the next one is 10 take away 3, which is the correct option. 10 take away 3 is, yes, the correct option is 7. 10 take away 3 is 7. The correct option is 7. The next one is 10 take away 5, which is the correct option. Please write the answers once, please. Okay, the next one is 10 take away 5, which is the correct option. Yes, very good. The correct option is 5. 10 take away 5 is 5. The next one is 13 take away 5, which is the correct option. Yes, the correct option is 8. 13 take away 5 is 8. Okay, the next one is 11 take away 3, which is the correct option. Yes, that is 11 take away 3 is very good. That is 8. The correct option is 8. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. So basically that is a quick review of this chapter, right? I've already done 2 3 times the lesson earlier. If you need help with the lesson, you can just search the channel. You can find the lesson on the channel and you can go through the lesson, right? So the next lesson is subtraction word problems numbers up to 18. Okay, let's just start with the first with the test questions. There are 11 steps leading to there are 11 steps leading up to Mr. Carter's house. 6 of the steps are clean. How many of the steps are dirty, right? So the total steps leading to Mr. Carter's house is 11, right? Six of them are clean. You need to count the one that are not clean. So you need to do 11 take away 6. So 11 take away 6 equals 11 take away 6 equals, yes, that is 5. That means if 6 of them are clean, the steps that are still dirty are 5. Got it? The next is a caravan on the Oregon Trail had a total of 17 pounds of meat. If they had 8 pounds of fresh meat, how many pounds of dry meat they did they have? So which is the correct option? The total meat is 17 pounds, right? 8 pounds is fresh. You need to count the one that is the dried. So you have to do 17 take away 17 take away 8. So which is the correct option? You have to do 17 take away 8. So which is the correct option? Which grade you are? That's for grade 1. So 17 take away 8 is, yes, 17 take away 8 is 9. 9. So the correct option is 9. Very good. The next one is, there were a total of 10 tadpoles in There were a total of 10 tadpoles in a pond. One afternoon, Oscar caught 9 tadpoles from the pond and took them home. How many tadpoles were left in the pond? So, which is the correct option? What's wrong with you? Why you keep writing messages 10 times? Why don't you write only once? You need to do 10 take away 9 because the total pack tadpoles were 10, 9 of them he caught and took home. So 10 take away 9 is 1. Now he have only There is only one tadpole in the pond. The correct option is 1. I am going to block you if you are going to send messages more than once. Stop, I said. Rahima and Kaur. Stop. Zachary is helping set up for a school picnic by putting out small and large paper plates. He has a total of 12 paper plates. If he has a 4 large ones, how many small paper plates does Zachary have? So which is the correct option? The total plate the total plates were 12. 4 of them are large one. You need to count the one that are small. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 12 take away 4 and you have the plates that are large. So 12 take away 8 is, sorry, 12 take away 4 is 8. Very good. The correct option is that means the large plate, the small paper plates he have is 8. 12 take away 4 is 8. Got it? An actress owns 16 pair of shoes. 7 of those pairs are her favorite color. Which is teal? How many pairs of shoes does the actress own that are not teal? So, which is the correct option? You have to do the total pair of shoes were 16, right? So, you have to do 16 take away 9. So, 16 take away 9 is 16 take away 7, sorry. 16 take away 7 is 16 take away 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The correct option is 9. So 16 take away 7 is 9. Got it? The Newman family eats cherry and grape jelly on their toast. They are a combined of total 13 ounces of jelly. If they have 8 ounces of grape jelly, how many ounces of cherry jelly do they have? So, which is the correct option? Yes, we have to do 13 take away 8. So 13 take away 8 is very good. The correct option is 5, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is making a number using subtraction. Numbers up to, I think I have skipped the one, yes. Subtraction sentences for word problems, numbers up to 18. Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, that's the one. An actress owns 3 pair of shoes. Two of the two of those pairs are her favorite color, that which is indigo. How many pairs of shoes does the actress owns that are not indigo? Write a subtraction sentence that fits the story. So you have to write now the subtraction sentence, not only the answer, right? So the subtraction sentence always involves the numbers that are in the question. So in the question you have 3 and 2. So that would be 3 minus 2, right? So 3 minus 2 is the correct option is 3 minus 2 equals 1. That is option number 1. Got it? The story has exactly the same numbers that are in the question. So that would be 3 minus 2 equals 1, right? Okay, the next one is there are four steps leading up to Mr. Martin's house. One of the steps is clean. How many of the steps are dirty? Write a subtraction sentence that fits the story. Which is the correct option? Yes, that is 4 take away 1 equals 3, right? So the sentence involve the numbers that are given in the question. So always read the question carefully. That would be 4 take away 1 equals 3. 8 of the pair of shoes in a particular shoe store are black. There are 9 pairs of shoes in the store in all. How many of the shoes are not black? So which is the correct option? The correct option is, which is the correct option? You have the total pair of shoes were 9, right? 8 of them were black. You need to count the ones that are not black, right? So you have to do 9 minus 8, and you have 9 take away 8 is only 1. That means there is only one shoe that is in black. So that is 9 minus 8 equals 1. The last option is the correct option. Got it? Anne has finished reading 2 pages in a library book. The book has a total of 6 pages. How many pages does Anne have left to read? So, which is the correct option? Yes, we have 6. Take away 2 because the total pages were 6. 2 of the pages he read in the library, so that would be 6. Take away 2, and that equals 4. The correct option is 4. So, the correct option is 6. Take away 2 equals 4. That is the last option. Alex is a school janitor. Last week he picked up a total of, we're working on grade 1 math. Chapter we're working on is subtraction, and the lesson I'm on right now is subtraction sentences for word problems numbers up to 18. Got it? Okay, Alex is a school janitor. Last week he picked up a total of 6 pieces of trash. If he picked up two pieces of trash in the classroom, how many pieces of trash did Alex pick up outside the classroom? So which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, that is 6 take away 2 equals 4. The correct option is option number 1. 5 of the pair of shoes in a particular shoe store are black. There are 6 pairs of shoes in the store in all. How many of these pair of shoes are not black? So which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? Yes, you have to do 6 take away 5 and 6 take away 5 is not 5 take away 6. You always subtract it, the smaller number out of the greater one. That is 6 minus 5. The correct option is option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? A, car- a caravan on the Oregon Trail had a total of 7 pounds of meat. If they had 6 pounds of fresh meat, how many pounds of the dry meat did they have? So, which is the correct option? The correct option is 7 take away 6 and 7 take away 6 equals 1. How 6 take away 7? You have to subtract the smaller number out of the greater one. You cannot do 6 out of 7. You have to do 7 out of 6. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson while you separated today. Let me just move on to the next lesson, and the next lesson is make a number using subtraction numbers up to 10. So you are given with the options. You have to make a number. You have to check which is the correct one, right? The first one is how do you make 3? We are given 4 options. Which option is the correct one? The correct option is which is the correct option that makes 3? Glitching. Okay. 5 take away 2 equals. The correct option is the how do you make 3? The correct option is 5 take away 2. Option number A is the correct option. That's the way to make 3. Got it? How do you make 2? Which is the correct option? But it isn't glitching at my side. Hold on. Can you please refresh your page? Okay, so which is how do you make 2? Which is the correct option? That is 3 take away 1. Option number D is the correct option. Very good. Yes, maybe that's because of your internet because I can see myself clearly. How do you make 8? Which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 9 minus 1 is 8. Option number 1 is the correct option, right? Okay, the next one is how do you make 1? Which is the correct option? That is 9 take away 8. Option number C is the correct option, right? 9 take away 8 makes 1. The correct option is option number C is the correct option. Got it? How do you make 6? Which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 10 take away 4 equals 6, right? Option number B is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next one is that the last lesson from the chapter. We are done with the chapter after this one. Related subtraction facts. Okay, so you have to see which of them are the related subtraction facts. We have already done with addition facts. So basically, what are the related subtraction facts? The related subtraction facts involve exactly the same number, right? Same digits. Like here you have 7 take away 2 equals 5. So you need to find the related fact, right? So the related fact is the one that has exactly the same digits, 7, 2, and 5. So you have only one option that has the same digits, that is 7 minus 5 equals 2. You just have to swap the position of these two numbers, right? 5 is here now and 2 is here. So that is 7 minus 5 equals 2. Got it? The correct option is B. Which is the related subtraction fact for 9 take away 4 equals 5? Which is the correct option? Which is the related fact for 9 take away 4 equals 5? So related facts are the one that involves exactly the same digits. So the digit that have 9, 4 and 5 is the related sentence. So which is the correct option is option number B, right? 9, 5 and 4, that is the sentence that have exactly the same digits 9, 5 and 4. Got it? Which is the related subtraction fact for 2 take away 0 equals 2? Which is the correct option? Yes, that is option number C. 2 take away 2 is 0 is the correct option. Which is the related fact for 6 take away 1 equals 5? So which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? Yes, that is option number A. 6 take away 5 equals 1. A is the correct option. Which is the related subtraction fact for 8 take away 1 equals 7? 8 take away 1 equals 7. So which is the correct option? Very good. The correct option is A, that is 8 take away 7 equals 1. That is the correct option. Okay, we are done with grade 1 math. The chapter we're working on grade 1 math. The chapter we're working on is subtraction, and the lessons we have covered today are subtraction facts, numbers up to 18, subtraction word problems, numbers up to 18, subtraction sentences for word problems, numbers up to 18, make a number using subtraction, numbers up to 10, and related subtraction facts. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we have just finished. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10, right? So if you have any questions related to the lesson we have just finished, you can ask questions. I'm here to answer all your questions. You can please ask questions. What other method could be for subtraction? We have so many ways to subtract, like you can make lines and then, for example, hold on. Okay, like you have to do 11 take away 9, right? So you can make 11 lines, remove 9 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and you need to count the one that are not crossed, so you are left with 2. The other method is you can start with the smaller number and count until the greater. That is 9, 10, and 11, right? So you have only two digits. Skip the 9. You have to start with 9, that is 10 and 11. So that is again 2, right? You can count on your finger. There are so many ways to subtract, right? Got it? Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.